Alright, it's been a minute since they allowed me to make my videos. So we're gonna see how this works out right here. So the thing is to make sure you're prepared for what's about to go down. Mentally, spiritually, physically prepared. Um, I got a text earlier about, just asked me about how I feel about the stores and these shelves. But if y'all didn't notice what's going on, probably not the big stores, the big corporations or whatever. But these little stores, and especially like I notice Family Dollar, Dollar General. I have to check out Dollar Tree, Walmart. The shelves, they not have they not getting restacked, or they not getting restacked fast enough, or it's not enough product coming to restack the whole shelves. So just get your essentials. Make sure y'all get your waters. I won't even say canned goods, but they have the bags of beans and stuff like that. Beans, like the Goya beans and stuff like that. Like get the bags of things. That way it's more natural than the stuff that's in the can that's being polluted with all the heavy metals. So yeah, just be prepared, man. Know that if you still get the if you still get the you know if you still get the whatever they be saying, if you get that, it doesn't matter. The way they say it, you still can get the you still can get the code. So it doesn't matter if you get 4, 3, 2. Once you do it, you're no longer natural to the system, right? Because your DNA has been altered, and now you really property of this corporation. So school is starting. They saying, I'm out in Jersey. They saying that it's mandatory. That they get vaccinated. The kids get vaccinated to go to school, or if they don't get vaccinated, they get tested 2 times a week. That's not happening. So, y'all be safe out there. Y'all enjoy yourself. And, just Be aware of your surroundings. The people know that it's a spiritual warfare going on right now. It's a big shift that's going on. I don't know if y'all feel the energies, but that's one thing that I wanted to say too. The energies that's being emitted from the earth and the sun, and the original sun, the black sun. It's changing you, right? We talk about the 10 tribes, the 10 lost tribes, right? Of Israel, right? That's the 10 lost strands of DNA that was pulled from you, by your jailers. Them 10 lost tribes is returning. But if you don't prepare your body, right? I would say your mind and your spirit, your soul, to receive any of this, then you're not gonna. It's gonna be difficult. We had people. Hold on. It's gonna be difficult for you. But what was I gonna say? Alright, so I was thrown off. So the earth is changing frequency, different energy. So you have 10 strands of DNA that's missing, right? Because we originally had 12 strands of DNA. Them 12 strands, the 10 strands is coming back. But if you get this thing that's going on, if you go get that, then you blocking off your DNA to receive the other 10 strands of DNA that's restoring in your body. You cutting off communication with your ancestors. Basically you'll be stuck here, and you'll be able, I believe, you will be controlled. See, they need, it's a thing called transhumanism. And once you get that, you're in a category as a transhumanism, transhuman. You're part machine, you're part human. They can integrate programs within your subconscious instead of the source, the sun, the black sun, your higher self integrating and you being energized, and you getting information from the source. We can do that naturally. But once you get the you're gonna be blocked off, and they're gonna be giving you the upgrades that they want you to have, so they can use and manipulate you into doing things that they want. Because it's a war going on outside. Our true peoples, our true way of living, our true consciousness is coming back. Like I said, it's 12 tribes of Israel, 12 strands of DNA, 10 lost tribes, meaning 10 strands of DNA. They don't. Can you just imagine? You having, instead of this much wiring, you have this much wiring. You know how much energy, how much information will be able to pass through, how much information you'll be able to process. So, you know, the 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 frequencies that's going on, the way the earth is changing, all that is, right? You got people not knowing their body, right? Not knowing the changes, and so scared when they feel some type of symptom in their body and they run to the hospital. And a doctor is going to tell you this, the doctor is going to tell you that. Notice when this thing first happened last year, every symptom basically was, it had so many symptoms. You do this, you got this. You do this, you got this. You do that, you got this. It was like a thousand. You scratch your head, with your left hand, you got it. Right? You flush the toilet and when you flush the toilet, the toilet shoot up and you got it when you flush the toilet. Like it was just so much, going on with that. But basically what it is, it's the ascension process, the awakening process, right? The symptoms of awakening, right? The different energies that your body deals with, right? And that's all it is. But we run to the doctor and we're gonna listen to the doctor, and we have so much faith in the doctor instead of having faith in ourselves and our body, instead of knowing our bodies. That's why I say, knowledge of self, real knowledge of self. Knowing you, like really getting to know who you are, where you came from, your ancestors, past lives, everything. So yeah, with that, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Hopefully this video can get sent out. It's been a minute, they've been stopping me. I had to get a whole new phone. This phone right here just wasn't working out for me. Had to switch up. I don't even know why I would deal with the enemy. Right? I don't even know why I would deal with the enemy. So yeah, y'all enjoy. Y'all just be aware of what's going on around y'all. Fix your bodies, get in tune with your bodies. Look at everything as a lesson, right? Control your emotions. Whether a good situation or a bad situation, take it as a good situation. All bad situations, anything that happened to you bad, learn the lesson, embrace it, and learn from it, grow from it, and use transmute that energy, for your growth. So with that, I'm out. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all time in this. The rest of y'all, it's a great time. It's just so crazy to have to use these words and happen to find new words to communicate, because the words that we say doesn't really mean anything. So in this present moment, in this realm of awareness, have an uplifting, vibrational experience. for the remainder of your moments in this reality. That is